Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the new feature of the game mode. This is one shot one kill. So what you need to do is click the feature. As you can see, this is one shot one kill. So make every shot count. Each shot from revolver kills, but ammo is limited. So in this mode you are only using a gun and the ammo is limit. So each time you kill the enemy you can get the ammo. So let's start the game. One shot one kill. So it will be free for all. There is no team here. So this is you are survive in this mode by killing every player in this game. So as you can see, we are only get 3 ammo in here, and we can only using a gun. So let's search the enemy. As you can see, this is one time only. You can kill the enemy only one shot, but the ammo is limit. So thank you for today. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.